Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful topic, how to upload videos on Google Drive. Whether you're a content creator, a student, or just someone who wants to keep their videos safe and accessible, Google Drive is an excellent platform to store and share your videos. And the best part? It's pretty simple to use. So, let's get started. First things first, open up your Google Drive account. Now click on the New button option and select Upload. Now, select Videos option on the top right of the screen. Now, it's time to upload your video. Find the video file you want to upload and simply tap on it. And there you have it. Uploading videos to Google Drive is quick, easy, and incredibly convenient. Whether you're storing personal memories, sharing educational content, or collaborating with others, Google Drive has got you covered. If you find this videos useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.